Welcome back to Smart Gadget Reviews, where I test and break down gear that actually makes outdoor life more comfortable and stress-free. Today's video is all about the top 13 best heavy-duty camping chair options you can buy right now, built for strength, comfort, and long-lasting performance. Whether you camp, tailgate, fish, or relax outdoors, the right chair makes a huge difference. I'll walk you through sturdy frames, weight capacity, padding, and real-world usability so you know exactly what you're getting. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. SUNNYFEEL Heavy Duty Chair. The SUNNYFEEL Heavy Duty Chair is one of those chairs that immediately feels solid the moment you sit down. I really like its reinforced steel frame, which provides excellent stability without feeling bulky or awkward to carry. The wide seat design offers plenty of room to relax, and the padded armrests add extra comfort during long outdoor sessions. It folds smoothly and fits easily into the included carry bag, making transport simple and stress-free. I also appreciate the breathable fabric, which helps keep things cool even during warmer days. Whether I'm camping, watching outdoor events, or just relaxing by the fire, this chair holds up extremely well. It supports heavier weight with confidence and doesn't wobble or sink. Overall, it's a dependable option if you want comfort, durability, and easy portability in one well-designed camping chair. KingCamp Heavy Duty Chair. The KingCamp Heavy Duty Chair stands out for its balance of strength and comfort, making it a reliable outdoor companion. I noticed right away how sturdy the steel frame feels, giving excellent support without creaking or shifting. The seat is generously sized, allowing you to sit comfortably for long periods without feeling cramped. I really enjoy the padded armrests and slightly reclined back, which help reduce fatigue during extended use. It also includes a side storage pocket and cup holder, which is super convenient for keeping drinks and small items within reach. Folding and unfolding this chair is quick, and it stores neatly in its carry bag. Whether I'm camping, tailgating, or relaxing outdoors, it delivers consistent performance. If you want a heavy-duty chair that feels stable, comfortable, and thoughtfully designed, this one is definitely worth considering. Fairwind Heavy Duty Chair. The Fairwind Heavy Duty Chair impressed me with its strong build and smart comfort features. It uses a reinforced steel frame that feels incredibly stable, even on uneven ground. The extra-wide seat and tall backrest make it easy to relax without feeling restricted. I also like the thick padding, which provides excellent support for your back and arms during long sitting sessions. The fabric feels tough yet breathable, helping maintain comfort throughout the day. It folds down easily and fits into the included carry bag, which makes transportation simple. I appreciate the smooth balance between durability and comfort, especially for extended outdoor use. Whether I'm camping, fishing, or enjoying a backyard gathering, this chair delivers reliable performance. If you're looking for a heavy-duty option that focuses on comfort without sacrificing strength, this chair is a solid choice. Heavy-Duty Director's Chair. The Heavy-Duty Director's Chair offers a unique design that combines structure, comfort, and functionality. I really like the upright seating position, which makes it great for cooking, working, or socializing outdoors. The strong metal frame feels sturdy and supportive, while the wide seat provides plenty of room to sit comfortably. One of my favorite features is the attached side table, which is perfect for holding snacks, drinks, or small gear. The armrests are well padded, adding extra comfort during longer use. It folds flat, making storage and transport surprisingly easy for a director-style chair. Whether I'm camping or spending time outdoors, this chair feels practical and dependable. If you want a heavy-duty chair that offers stability, convenience, and a more upright sitting experience, this director chair is a smart and functional option. Deaaa Heavy Duty Chair. The Deaaa Heavy Duty Chair delivers a comfortable seating experience with a strong focus on durability. I immediately noticed the reinforced steel frame, which provides excellent weight support without feeling overly heavy. The wide seat and tall backrest allow you to relax fully, making it great for long outdoor sessions. I also like the padded armrests, which add noticeable comfort and help reduce arm fatigue. The fabric feels thick, durable, and breathable, making it suitable for extended use. It folds down easily and fits neatly into its carry bag, which is convenient for travel and storage. Whether I'm camping, tailgating, or enjoying outdoor events, this chair performs consistently well. If you're looking for a heavy-duty chair that balances comfort, strength, and portability, the Deaaa option is definitely worth checking out. Fairwind 2-Pack Camping Chair. The Fairwind 2-Pack Camping Chair is a great choice if you want durability and value in one package. I like that both chairs feature strong steel frames designed to handle heavier weight without compromising stability. The seats are wide and comfortable, allowing for relaxed sitting during long outdoor activities. Each chair includes padded armrests and a supportive backrest, which makes a noticeable difference in comfort. The fabric feels tough and breathable, holding up well over time. They fold down easily and come with carry bags, making transport simple whether you're camping or attending events. Having two matching chairs is perfect for couples or friends who want reliable seating. Overall, this set offers solid construction, good comfort, and convenience. If you want dependable, heavy-duty chairs for shared outdoor adventures, this 2-pack is a smart and practical investment. KingCamp Padded Camping Chair. The KingCamp Padded Camping Chair focuses heavily on comfort while still delivering a strong, durable build. I really enjoy the thick padding along the seat and back, which provides excellent support for extended sitting. The steel frame feels sturdy and well-balanced, giving me confidence when sitting down. The slightly reclined backrest helps promote relaxation, especially during long outdoor evenings. I also appreciate the breathable fabric, which helps prevent overheating. It folds smoothly and fits into a carry bag for easy transport and storage. Whether I'm camping, fishing, or just relaxing outside, this chair feels supportive and comfortable. The padded armrests add another layer of comfort that makes a difference over time. If comfort is your top priority, but you still want heavy-duty strength, this KingCamp chair is an excellent option to consider. Heavy-duty adult camping chair. The heavy-duty adult camping chair is built for strength and everyday outdoor comfort. I like its wide seat design, which offers plenty of room to sit comfortably without feeling confined. The reinforced steel frame provides reliable stability and handles heavier weight with ease. The backrest offers good support, making it suitable for long periods of sitting. I also appreciate the included cup holder, which adds convenience during camping or outdoor events. The fabric feels durable and breathable, holding up well during repeated use. Folding and unfolding this chair is quick and simple, and it stores neatly in its carry bag. Whether I'm relaxing by the campsite or watching outdoor activities, it performs consistently. If you want a no-nonsense, heavy-duty chair that delivers solid comfort, durability, and ease of use, this adult camping chair is a dependable choice. KingCamp XL Heavy-Duty Chair. The KingCamp XL Heavy-Duty Chair is designed for those who want extra space and maximum comfort. I immediately noticed the oversized seat, which provides plenty of room to stretch out and relax. The reinforced steel frame feels extremely stable, even on uneven surfaces. I really like the padded seat and backrest, which offer excellent support during long sitting sessions. The high back design helps support your shoulders and upper back, adding to overall comfort. It folds down smoothly and comes with a sturdy carry bag for easy transport. The breathable fabric helps maintain comfort throughout the day. Whether I'm camping, tailgating, or relaxing outdoors, this chair delivers premium comfort and strength. If you're looking for a heavy-duty chair with extra room and superior support, the KingCamp XL is a fantastic option. 2-pack heavy-duty camping chairs. The 2-pack heavy-duty camping chairs offer a great combination of durability, comfort, and value. I like that both chairs feature strong steel frames designed to handle heavier weight without wobbling. The seats are wide and supportive, making them comfortable for extended outdoor use. Each chair includes padded armrests and a sturdy backrest that helps reduce fatigue. The fabric feels tough yet breathable, holding up well over time. Folding and storing these chairs is quick and easy thanks to their compact design and included carry bags. Having two chairs makes them perfect for camping trips, outdoor events, or backyard use. Overall, this set provides dependable performance and convenience. If you're looking for reliable heavy-duty chairs that offer comfort and practicality in a 2-pack, this option delivers solid value and versatility. 600D Portable Camping Chair. The 600D Portable Camping Chair stands out for its durable fabric and reliable construction. I appreciate the strong steel frame, which offers excellent stability and supports heavier weight with ease. The 600D fabric feels thick and resistant to wear, making it ideal for frequent outdoor use. The seat design provides good comfort, while the backrest offers solid support during long sitting periods. I also like how lightweight and portable it feels despite its heavy-duty build. It folds down quickly and fits neatly into its carry bag, making transport simple. Whether I'm camping, fishing, or attending outdoor events, this chair performs consistently well. The armrests add extra comfort, helping you relax fully. If you want a durable, portable, and easy-to-use heavy-duty camping chair, the 600D option is a reliable and practical choice. Green Party Heavy-Duty Chair. The Green Party Heavy-Duty Chair offers a solid mix of comfort, durability, and user-friendly design. I noticed the reinforced steel frame right away, which provides excellent stability and weight support. The wide seat allows for relaxed sitting without feeling cramped, even during long outdoor sessions. I really like the padded armrests, which add noticeable comfort and reduce arm fatigue. The fabric feels strong and breathable, making it suitable for extended use. It folds easily and comes with a carry bag that makes storage and transport convenient. Whether I'm camping, tailgating, or enjoying outdoor gatherings, this chair holds up well. The overall design feels practical and dependable. If you're looking for a heavy-duty chair that balances comfort, strength, and portability, the Green Party chair is a dependable option worth considering. Let's Camp Folding Chair. The Let's Camp Folding Chair is a simple yet reliable option for anyone needing heavy-duty outdoor seating. I like its sturdy steel frame, which offers good stability and weight support without feeling bulky. The seat is wide and comfortable, making it easy to relax during camping trips or outdoor events. The backrest provides decent support, while the armrests add extra comfort for longer use. It folds down smoothly and fits into its carry bag, making it easy to transport and store. The fabric feels durable and holds up well with regular use. Whether I'm camping, fishing, or spending time outdoors, this chair performs consistently. It's straightforward, dependable, and easy to use. If you want a no-fuss, heavy-duty folding chair that delivers solid comfort and portability, the Let's Camp option is a practical choice. That wraps up my breakdown of the top 13 best heavy-duty camping chair options available right now. I hope this video helped you find the perfect balance of comfort, strength, and portability for your outdoor needs. Every chair on this list offers something unique, whether it's extra padding, higher weight capacity, or added convenience features. Remember to check the link in the description for pricing and full details on each product. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Smart Gadget Reviews, and stay tuned for more honest, hands-on product guides coming your way.